Amazon stock 16. Again, it has grown tonight to 211.9. It seems to be because of chips. And but the main reason why I invest, and please remember that this is just a video of an investor. It's not, if you invest, you do it at your own risk. Therefore, the main reason I invest in Amazon is because all the small medium companies within Europe are going to die. Why? 21% VAT, 30 the minimum income tax, which goes up to 50. Well, here in Bilbao is maximum 45, 46, so we have the lowest in Spain. Then you have a social security 34%. Yes, of course. We have the best doctors, but you have to pay for them if they are working or if they are in sick leave. But then we also have profit tax 24%. Well, small medium companies 70% don't make ever a profit. So what's going to happen is that a lot of 52-year-old Spanish workers will rather stop working, get unemployment benefits, get the minimum 500 euros that the government gives you, the basic wage for doing nothing, so you get paid for doing nothing. So how can a small medium company compete with Amazon? They cannot, and that's why I invest in Amazon. It's going to have organic growth of 11%, and as a matter of fact, I got it right, because from 1 year, 23 to 24, it had 11% growth in revenues. How is it going to really, the profit going to grow? Well, it's 50, yes. As soon as they start putting computers and robots, then this manpower will fall from 1.5 million towards 1 million. And many companies are doing that, even investing in Spain, which is most competitive country in Europe and so on. But what's going to happen? That organic growth is going to make Amazon shares grow, I believe, at least 11% every year compounding. Why? Because the competitor are being eliminated, wiped out, killed, run out of business, thanks to the government's taxes and bureaucracy. So that's why you should think about, are you going to invest in your pension plan if you're a taxi driver in the UK? Or if you are any company making any profit, invest in Amazon. Why? Because at least there is going to be an 11% compound, I believe. Perhaps it's much more, of course, if you make use of marketing like this video and you put your product in the first top shelf. And of course, that marketing will grow, let's say, 20-25% per year, much more than the cloud. That's my personal opinion. But anyways, one way or another is going to have an organic growth that is going to be massive throughout the planet, because small medium companies, politicians don't care about. They only care about big companies so they can put someone on board and be employed by them in the future. Thank you. Bye.